In this video, I'm going to show you how to play I Write Sins Not Tragedies by Panic at the Disco, off of their album, A Fever You Can't Sweat Out. And if that sounds good to you, smash that like button and stay tuned. What's up, alt rockers? America's favorite guitar playing ginger is back with another guitar lesson. If this is our first time meeting, my name is Scott, and on this channel we learn how to play the best rock songs of the past and how to produce the best rock songs of the future. Leave a comment down below if I Write Sins was your favorite Panic song, and let's dive in. This song is going to be in drop D tuning, so make sure you tune your E string down to a D. The intro and verses to this song are going to consist largely of a string section, but I'm going to show you how to play that part on the guitar. So that opening string part, I think it's a cello, is going to sound something like this. Okay, so that's the opening part. What we're doing there is we're hitting open 5th string, 2nd fret 4th string, and then 5th fret 3rd string. Then we go back to 4th string, and then 4th fret 3rd string. So it sounds like this. And then we'll move to this shape. We'll have 4th fret 4th string, 5th fret 3rd string, and then 3rd fret 2nd string. Then we'll move the middle finger over to the 4th fret of the 3rd, and then 5th fret of the 3rd. So that sounds like this. Okay, and then we'll repeat, but this time we'll go 5, 4 on the 3rd string. So all together, that part sounds like this. And then the next sequence, we'll move to the 3rd fret of the 4th string, then 4th fret of the 3rd, 5th fret of the 3rd. And then repeat 4th and 5th. And then we'll just repeat that part over and over again throughout the intro and verse. Next chord. Next chord. So after playing that through several times, at the end of the verse, we'll hit 3rd fret of the 4th string, and then we'll pause, and then we'll enter the chorus. The chorus chords look like this. We're going to start with an A minor chord, just a regular open A minor. Then we'll move to an F major 7. That one's a little less familiar probably to people, so that chord is 3rd fret 5th string, 3rd fret 4th string, 2nd fret 3rd string, 1st fret 2nd string, and then an open E string. Okay, and I'm being sure to mute the D string here with my thumb. So we go from an A minor to F major 7, and then we'll go to a D chord. The way we're going to play the D here is we'll hit the open 6th string, open 5th, open 4th, and then we'll have 2nd fret 3rd and 3rd fret 2nd, and then we can mute the high E string. So we have A minor, F major 7, and then that variation of D. And the rhythm for that section is going to sound like this. So if we break that down, what we have is we have 3 hits on the A minor, down, up, down, and then mute with the palm. Then 2 hits, down, up, then a transition, and then into that F major 7, 2 hits on the F major 7, and then 4 hits, down, up, and then into the D. Down, up, down, and then staccato quarter notes. Then we'll play a transition chord, which in this case is a G. We're going to play the G, 5th fret. Because we're in drop D tuning, we're just barring 6th, 5th, and 4th string on the 5th fret, and then we'll repeat. And then the second half of the chorus will change the rhythm and just let the chords ring out. It'll sound like this. So what I'm doing there is down, 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 up, switch, switch, transition, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. And then we'll play another verse and another chorus, the same as the first, and then we're into the bridge. The bridge has a few interesting chords here, so what we're going to do is we're going to start on the 3rd fret. We'll play 6th string, 5th string, 4th string, all on the 3rd fret. The way I'm playing that is with my middle finger, ring finger, and pinky. And the reason we're playing it that way is because we need to push down 2nd fret of the 3rd string with our index finger. And then we'll also hit an open 1st and 2nd string. The next chord will be that D we played earlier. So we'll play that D. And then what we'll do is move the index finger over to the 2nd fret of the 5th. We'll mute the 4th string. Keep the ring finger down on the 3rd fret of the 2nd. So far we have these 3 chords. And I'll point out here that the right hand rhythm doesn't have a consistent pattern throughout the bridge. So the way I'm playing the rhythm, definitely hitting those first 4 hits, and then just kind of strumming. The next sequence of chords go like this. We'll have that first chord again, and then what we'll do is jump to the A minor, and then to that D again. So that section sounds like this. So far, all together, we have this slow. And then the next chord sequence looks like this. We'll use that same first chord again. Then we'll go to this chord, the one with the first finger, 2nd fret, 5th string, and then the 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the 2nd. And then we'll move to this chord. This chord we have 3rd fret, 5th string, 2nd fret, 4th string, 4th fret, 3rd string with the pinky, and then 3rd fret, 2nd string with the ring finger, and then the open E string. So that sequence slow. And then what we'll do is we'll hit that first chord again as we enter the last chorus. So let's play through that whole bridge part one time together, slow. And now that we're into the last chorus, it's going to be played the same way as the first two. There's going to be a pause right there. That pause is just for a half measure, and then we kick in with the rest of the chorus. Was Panic at the Disco the best emo band? Comment down below. And while you're down there, click the subscribe button to join the congregation and get more guitar lessons and videos every single week. Thanks so much for joining me, and remember, hug the gingers in your life, because we do, in fact, have souls.